Mr. Tucker, why do you like living on board ship?
Well, I find it's very comfortable and on my own. I never bothered of anything at all. I'm quite contented.
Now, you spent a lifetime at sea. What made you decide to spend your retirement living on board a ship?
Well, I've always made up my mind for one of these cabin cruises. And I'm always handy on the job that I'm working at the docks.
And what sort of work do you do now?
The watchman on board ships,
Can you tell me something about this splendid uniform which you're wearing?
Well, all I can tell you about is worn at the Battle of Balaclava. And a friend of mine gave it to me, some descendant of the one who wore it. And we've looked after it a long time.
But you're a sailor. Why are you wearing an army uniform?
Well, it doesn't make much difference. I generally had it given me, and what am I going to do with it?
Now,
am I going to work in it? I generally lend it out to some people with show business at hospitals and the like.
Are there any advantages living on a ship like this all alone?
Yes, I have my wireless going. I play a tune on the violin now and again, and my drums and a bit of music. Television on its way, and when I get a higher mast.
Do you find that these cats are company for you?
Yes, I do very much. There's one thing about it, when I wind my alarm clock up, set the alarm, and if I oversleep with the alarm, the mother cat jumps behind my pillow and starts licking my forehead and rubbing her head against me.
How many cats have you got on board?
Well, there's 7 altogether, the mother and 6 kittens.
And do you look after them?
Oh, yes. I look after them, and in summertime when all these boats are going, they go aboard. They seem to know which boats they belong, or originate. Well, it appears that in winter time, when all these craft are tied up, the cats come off these boats and they come down to look for something to eat. Well, I'm the only one happened to be down there.
What sort of food do you give them in the winter time?
Well, when it's very cold, like we've had lately, I generally give them boiled milk, a little drop of cod liver oil, and a little catnip mixed with it. And I find it cures their colds.
Now, they say that a sailor has a girl in every port. Was this the case
fine,
with you?
Bingo. Good, then. You can have 5 or 6 in every port if you want them in some ports. They all get jealous of one another, though.